Oh my God, please excuse my background. Hey y'all, my name is Lucy May, but you can call me Lou, and welcome to my channel. So this is a look that I created today. I was going for something light and soft, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay, hey y'all. So jumping right into the video, I'm going to start with this NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone. I'm going to apply this on my lid, and then I'm going to go under my brow with this. I'm going to pat it down in the corners so there's no harsh lines. On to eyeshadow, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless palette, and look at these colors. This is the perfect medium palette. I'm going to start off with this brown shade called Fortuity in the crease on an M506 brush. Now I'm going to use the shade Lavish in my upper crease using the same brush. And these are what the eyes look like so far. For the lid, I'll be taking the shade Sahara, which is closer to my skin tone. I chose a skin tone shade because I wanted to keep the look soft but light. Going back into the shade Lavish, I'm going to bring this onto my outer V just to give me a little bit of definition. I'm also going to take a little bit of that shade Fortuity and bring that on my outer V as well. And here's a little dance break of me while I do my makeup. That was it for the eyes. So now on to lashes. I'm going to be taking this Duo Hello. Are you going to focus? Thank you. The brush on Duo Blue in black. But before I put blue and everything on my lashes, I'm going to put mascara on. This is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to coat my lashes, my real lashes, then put on my false lashes. Now onto the face. Finally, I'm going to take the Smashbox Primerizer, dot this on my face, rub it in, and pat it down. On to foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 495. I'm going to dot this over my face and use a flat top brush and blend it in. This is me going back over my foundation again. I always go back over it a couple of times just so that the foundation isn't sitting on top of my skin. Onto concealer, I'm going to be taking this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade 6.3, and I'm going to put this under my eyes and in between my brows. I'm going to take a flat concealer brush to blend it out. Now I'm going to cream contour with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Mocha. I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones, my jawline, the sides of my nose, and my forehead. I always contour my forehead. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. contouring brush to blend it all out. Now I'm going to be taking this Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. Black Radiance, I love y'all, but the packaging for this setting powder is not it, sis. Like, this was everywhere on my floor, flying around, just everywhere. And I'm going to use that to set under my eye, my smile lines, and my chin. Moving on to bronzer, I'm going to take this bronzer palette by e.l.f. and I'm going to use the two top shades, and I'm going to put this everywhere where I contour. For blush, I'll be taking Summer Sunrise by Patricia Bright times Makeup Revolution. I'm going to apply it to my cheeks per usual, but I'm also going to apply some on my nose and on my forehead. It ties the look together. My camera just does not want to focus today. I'm going to be using the NYX Fill and Fluff Brow Pencil Thank you. In the shade Espresso. So what I'm going to do is I want to keep my brows really light because the look is light. So I'm going to just brush my brow up. And I'm only going to apply product on the bottom of my brow and continue to brush it up so that my brows aren't too dark or they aren't too bold. Yep, on to highlighter. This is the Kaleido Cosmetics Muse Skin Highlighter in the shade Goddess. I got this in my Ipsy bag last month. And I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones, on my nose, and my cupid's bow. Going back into the palette, I'm going to take the shade Lavish and run this under my lower lash line. And I'm also going to take a little bit of that Fortuity shade and run that under my lash line as well. Now I'm going to take the tiniest bit of glimmer and I'm going to put that in my inner corner just to give me a little bit of an inner corner highlight. For lips, y'all, just disregard this whole part. What I was using I thought was going to be a match, but it wasn't. It's too pink, and when I realized that, I took it off and I did something else. So I used the Sephora Lip Stories lipstick in the shade 1 Brunch Date. And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. The look came out just the way I wanted it to, very soft and light. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe to see more videos from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.